These bicycles will enable them to reach the school quickly and easily without worrying about the long distance or the cost of transportation. We believe that this project will not only help these girls to continue their education, but also empower them to make a positive impact in their communities. We are not just giving away bicycles, but we are investing in the future of our community. We hope that this project will inspire others to take action and make a difference in the lives of those around them.
I still do bicycle, I go on bicycle and things like that for exercise purpose and all that. But what I love, कि जब आप bicycle पे जाते हैं और आपको ठंडी हवा लगती है, and really it makes you happy. तो बच्चों दिल से पढ़ो and study hard. You must think that you are the best. Don't miss school. Be regular with your tuitions, and I'm sure you'll all achieve, and you'll fulfill your dream one day.